Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix voice chat on Warzone 2 in the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go to game library, here you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps on this device. Here in the left you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store, and right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now if you want to fix voice chat in Warzone 2 on the PlayStation 5, first of all go ahead and click on settings, and then once you do that you're gonna be here in this page. Once you're here, go ahead and scroll a little bit down until you find sound. Go ahead and click on sound, and then right here you're gonna find microphone settings, audio output, 3D audio for TV speakers and also for headphones, and here you're gonna find volume. Right now go ahead and click on microphone, and then here you're gonna find input device. Go ahead and click on input device, and then once you do that, select the audio output device or your microphone that you are using. As you can see guys, in my case, I'm selecting the microphone on the controller. Once you do that, go ahead and click on adjust microphone level, and then here, as you can see guys, you can adjust the level of your mic by clicking on X, and then you can either increase it or decrease it while hearing your voice in the background. So once you finish, just go back, and then all of your changes will be saved and your problem will be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.